So they have given me extra 50% hike on my salary. I got a job in European company. It's an open exchange network company. This is very useful. Like I suggest every people to join it.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I have Mr. Vansh with me and he wants to share his experience on taking up the workshop. So hi Vansh, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, we're good. So as I told you, we're here to gather his experience. But before that, we'd want to know a bit about what do you do, a bit of a background thing on you, and what do you do, where you're from, and everything. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So my name is Vansh Sharma. I am from Mumbai itself. And before that, I was at Alien Tattoos. I was working as a partnership coordinator. And after joining the AI program, so after that, I have half only I have completed, but still I got a job in European company. It's an open exchange network company. So over there, I was an marketing manager. So that was the journey.
Okay, that's fantastic. So you've already told us that you've gotten a new job. So, but I want to ask you, like, how did you come to know about us?
I was scrolling my Instagram, so I have see the ad of Be10x. So I have just checked for is it useful or not. So I have checked it, and after that I have joined.
Right. And you must have, gotten into a workshop first, and then you must have purchased the mastery
Yeah,
program.
correct. I have attended the workshop.
Yeah. So
It
what
was for
what
night.
what made you purchase the mastery program after you attended the workshop?
Like I have learned a lot in that 3 hours workshop.
Yeah.
So after that, I thought I should join the course also and learn more about it. So that's why I have joined,
Okay. Perfect.
and I have
Perfect.
seen the progress also.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So can you let us know more about your achievement and like how did you achieve it? What work are you doing now? Does it help out in your work? If you can mention, have you had any monetary compensation go up for you? So anything, yeah.
It is very useful. Like whatever I have learned over there, I have explained it to my hiring manager. So they have given me extra 50% hike on my salary. So I think that was a big achievement for me.
So you've gotten a 50% hike on
Yeah,
your on the base salary of your previous job, right?
correct, correct. Yeah,
That's fantastic.
yeah.
Like, so is all the
It's
knowledge that
very,
you're
very.
consuming, is it helping out in your work as well?
Yes, yes, a lot, a lot. It's helping.
Okay, okay. So and at last, any feedback? Like, would you want to give any feedback about the whole course or the
Uh,
program?
like I suggest every people to join it at least that 3 hours session to understand more about it, and this is very useful for in future. Yeah.
Mhm. All right, Vansh. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. We're very happy the fact that you've gotten a big bonus or a big jump, as
Yeah.
they say, right? So, very happy for you. Hopefully, you get many more in the future. So, thank you so much for talking to us. Hopefully, we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.